stuck with the Unattended Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for Unattended Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Unattended Library, the Windows Unattended Setup Library. It manages the unmanaged localized parsing of unattend.xml answer files during localized OS installation. It facilitates the automated orchestration of system settings and localized user account creation. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Unattend is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Unattended library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Unattended library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Unattended library management. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Unattended library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.